strike targets with pinpoint accuracy up to 500 kilometers away.
Iskander, the Russian missiles.
Number 6, Avangard.
Avangard.
The
Ito,
Avangard
Avangard.
is a truly next-generation strategic weapon. A
Ayun ay
hypersonic glide vehicle
11 September
that redefines the
2025.
concepts of speed and maneuverability.
Thursday na. Nanonood ng
2019,
YouTube.
the Avangard is not a self-powered missile in the traditional sense.
Avangard missiles
Instead,
ng
it is a
Russia.
payload, a maneuvering re-entry vehicle that is carried atop a
2 tons.
traditional intercontinental
Mach speed
ballistic missile, such as
9.5.
the UR-100 UTTKH or the new RS-28 Sarmat. After the booster rocket carries it to the edge of the atmosphere, the
Mach
Avangard
28.
vehicle detaches and glides towards its target at
Maximum
speeds
28.
exceeding 30,000 kilometers per
Maximum
hour.
speed.
Weighing around 2,000
Mach 28.
kilograms, its key feature is its ability to make sharp, unpredictable maneuvers, both horizontally and vertically, while traveling through the upper atmosphere. This boost glide trajectory makes its flight path impossible to calculate, rendering traditional anti-ballistic missile defense systems, which rely on
Produced by Machine Structure Russia.
effectively obsolete.
Introduced 2019. Avangard. Number 5. Burevestnik. Ito na.
Zero, Burevestnik,
Ito, nuclear
as the SS
nuclear powered
Skyfall,
nuclear missile Skyfall.
is a weapon straight out of
Code
science
name
fiction.
by NATO as Skyfall.
Nuclear-armed cruise missile.
Skyfall.
Still in the development and testing phase, this system represents a radical departure from conventional missile propulsion. While details are scarce, the concept involves using a compact nuclear reactor to heat air
Nako.
and create
Compact
thrust.
nuclear reactor.
The primary advantage of this technology is, in theory, nearly unlimited range.
Nako.
A conventional cruise missile is
Unlimited
limited
range.
by the amount of fuel it can carry, but the Burevestnik could patrol for days
Burevestnik.
or even weeks, flying unpredictable, globe-spanning routes to bypass enemy defenses from unexpected directions. Its intended mission is likely as a second strike weapon, able to be launched and remain airborne
Second
for an
strike,
extended period, ensuring a retaliatory capability even if other assets are destroyed.
Burevestnik.
Number 4, Ford
S500.
N6M
S500 Prometheus.
Here we shift from offense to defense.
Prometheus.
The 40 N6M missile, the primary long-range air support for the formidable S-400
Air defense.
Prometheus
Prometheus. Air defense. Precursor.
in 2021,
S400.
is designed to be the top tier of Russia's
Preceded by S400.
The 40 N6M missile is its longest arm, a two-stage solid
S400.
tasked with engaging the most difficult targets. It has a stated engagement range of up to 600 kilometers and can reach staggering altitudes of up to 200 kilometers.
200 kilometers. Nako, alam.
This allows it to intercept not just aircraft